Hi guys, welcome back to Up for Dinner. My name is Anna and today we're going to be making this absolutely delicious and hearty chili. I know everyone has their own chili recipe, but today I'm going to be sharing my very own with you. So hope you guys will like it. Let's get going.
You gotta cook and you know you're not a chef, but the kitchen shouldn't put you to the test. So put your apron on, turn up the heat, and in a matter of minutes we'll be ready to eat. Up for dinner. Up for dinner. You're watching up for dinner.
Alright, so in terms of ingredients, the ingredients are very straightforward and traditional. For the base, we're going to be using 1 large onion. I'm going to cut 3 medium-sized tomatoes, a couple of these cute little peppers, few cloves of garlic. We're going to use about 400 milliliters of tomato sauce, a couple of spoons of Romano cheese to make it extra creamy. Of course, the black beans, I'm using canned beans. Shortcut will do just fine. And of course the beef. That's pretty much all there is to it. Let's get chopping. These tomatoes, they have such a wonderful smell. You know, it kind of reminds me of my grandfather's garden. And these ones actually smell like the real tomatoes. I can do 1 jalapeno. Alright you guys, so I'm done with all the chopping. The next step is to start sautéing. As always, the first step is olive oil. And then right after, we're gonna put our onions right in. We're gonna sauté our onions until they're golden, and then we're gonna be adding tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. The onions are looking nice. They're cooking away. But they're not quite ready for me to add the tomatoes. We need to make sure that it's actually gonna cook down even more, and only then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Now that's what I'm talking about. This is looking nice. Time to add our tomatoes. Beautiful. And along with tomatoes, we can actually add jalapeno peppers, and just regular peppers for the color. Beautiful. Wow, look at these beautiful colors. This is great. We're gonna let it simmer for another 7 to 10 minutes for that to cook down yet again, and then we're gonna be adding our meat and tomato sauce and of course some spices. All right, this is looking very nice. I think now is the good time for us to start mixing our meat right into it. Little by little, you guys. We're gonna kind of like just mix it until it's even and becomes one with that sauce essentially. You need to make sure that it all integrated very nicely. You see, it's looking good, so we can actually start adding the spices and tomato sauce and the beans. And then we're gonna let it cook together for a good half an hour, so everything is gonna be very, very well cooked. I'm gonna add some paprika for the color. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili for the flavor. I love my herbs de Provence, so I'm gonna add some of my herbs over here. It's a nice mix, a variety of different herbs, so that smells wonderful. And now you guys, is the time to add our beans. We're gonna put them right in. Beautiful, we're gonna mix it all together. We're gonna put some salt, a generous amount of salt. And then we're gonna add the tomato sauce right on top of it. Gonna mix it all together. And the other little secret from my chili, I love adding Romano cheese into it because it creates that extra creamy taste. And I feel like it makes it almost, I don't know, even more delicious, if you will. So, well, let's do 5, you guys. Let's do an odd number. This is looking nice. Now we're gonna cover it and let it cook for about half an hour. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, now is the time to check on it. Wow. Smells amazing. Looks really good too. It's almost ready, guys. Like, we probably need another 15 minutes or so for the beans to get nice and soft. I'm gonna give it a try just to make sure that there's enough salt and everything. Wonderful, delicious. Exactly what we're looking for. Maybe just a little bit more herbs. And then I'll be adding cilantro at the very, very end so it stays nice and green, but it enhances the flavor even more. Another secret that I have is the smoked paprika, you guys. That adds so much more flavor to it. So I'm just gonna add a generous amount of paprika with that delicious smoked scent. Ooh, amazing. We're gonna cut a little bit of chives on the side. I also pre-cut some tomatoes and cilantro to use it as our garnish. Wow, this is almost ready. Now is the good time to add cilantro. Beautiful. Look at this. And we're gonna mix it in. Delicious. Very exciting. We're gonna be serving in no time. It looks very ready to me. It's been half an hour, so let's give it a try. Perfection. It's ready. It's nice and soft. We're gonna be serving now, you guys. Wow, just look at that, you guys. It's absolutely perfect. I'm gonna serve it into a serving bowl first for the family to enjoy. It's looking beautiful. Rich in color and flavor. Wow. For the individual plates, I personally really love the cheese. So I have mozzarella cheese. I have some tomatoes right here, just to add some freshness to our delicious dish. And of course, you know, we can add some chives for color. That's beautiful. And if you want to top it up with delicious sour cream, of course, you might as well just do that. Wow, you guys, that is looking amazing. And it tastes absolutely delicious. I'm gonna give it a try. So rich in flavor and definitely one of my favorite recipes. Hope you guys will give it a try. Hope your family loves it and you follow for more. Take care, see you next time.